In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add contacts on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, go to Phone app, then tap Add Contacts, and then in order to create new contact, tap at that plus sign. There, first off, we can name our contact, and also we can set a photo for that contact. We can use our camera to take a picture. We can select some emoji for that contact. We can select memoji. We can select some picture from that big list, and also we can select some photo from our camera roll. So let me choose just for example that one. We can resize it, we can move it around, and once we are happy with the result, we can hit Add Choose, and then also we can pick some filter. Done. We can hit Add Done, and the most important thing is to add the phone number. All we have to do in order to add phone number is tap at that plus sign next to Add Phone, and then we can just type in here their phone number, and all we have to do now is hit Add Done if we want to save that contact. However, if we want to add some extra information, let's say we want to add an email or another phone number, we can easily do so. We can just tap at the plus sign, and if we want to add one more phone number for that contact, we can easily do so. Also, we can switch home to any option from that list. Let's say I want to switch it to work, and basically that's it guys. Now we can hit Add Done to save that contact. After that, in any time, we can open up Phone app again. We can go to Contacts, we can search for that contact, and then we'll be able to edit it by hitting at that edit button, and then we can change there any information including profile picture, name, last name, mobile phones, and all that stuff. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.